everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to stain the wood that I prepped yesterday. I had hoped to get to it yesterday, but some things came up, so today we're going to go ahead and finish. We're going to stain this and get it hopefully to where it is close to a matching color with the stand that as you can see, it's not matching there, so we're going to stain it today and get this cover to a matching color of the stand. One thing that I did learn from sanding this that I didn't do on the stand, which I wish I had, because it would have been a little bit smoother, might have gotten things a little more even tone, was I did not use a 220 grit sandpaper on this. The highest I went was 120, and I should have used a 220 on it. It would have made it a bit smoother. But for what this is going to be being used for, once I put the lacquer finish on here to protect the wood from water and things, that's not going to matter. So hindsight, they say, is 20/20. I probably if I do a project like this in the future, I would recommend finishing up after you've started with like an 80 grit, and then using 100 grit, and then 120 grit. I would recommend finishing up with a 220 grit sandpaper when you're doing your sanding before you stain your project, whatever it is that you're working on. So anyway, we're going to get busy here. We're going to start staining this and get this stained today, so that tomorrow, when the silicone, the aquarium safe silicone that I've ordered arrives, we can get working on replacing the old seals. You can kind of see some of them are bubbling up there, and they're just kind of old. We're going to get busy replacing the old seals on the aquarium, because that needs a day or so to cure before you fill it up with water. And we're going to do that and let that get that curing while we put the lacquer finish on the trim and the stand and everything else. So putting the lacquer finish to make everything nice and water resistant is the very last step that we're going to be doing. Once I am done tomorrow, we'll show you what we're going to be doing cleanup wise for this old aquarium to get that hard water stain, the hard water residue and stuff out. And so I will show you all of that tomorrow. So hit the red subscribe button, and hope you join me for the rest of this process. And until next time, have a great one.